quick and shitty comparison of sound and feel of this IBM Beam Spring, this IBM Model F, and this IBM Model M. Model M is new old stock and hasn't been broken in. Model F has been lovingly restored, and the Beam Spring has been in full use and operation ever since it was made, and it didn't need real restoration. The Model F here sounds pretty powdery. That's because it's new old stock and it hasn't been broken in. They don't normally sound quite that powdery. And as you use them, they will get a little more high-pitched. The scratch makes things sound a little deeper. You can see the Model F is the highest pitched. The Beam Spring benefits a lot from its gigundous fucking case, but